Hello everyone, today is a very exciting video. I am unboxing a Louis Vuitton handbag. And if you have been following me for a while, I definitely unbox or buy luxury items far less than I used to because it takes a lot for me to fall in love with something and actually buy it. And I am shocked. I am shocked that I actually found this on the Louis Vuitton website because this is a sold out it bag, if you will. And it's in the color that I feel like everybody wants. And people are paying premium prices like on the resale, like people are buying it and then like reselling it for like thousands more. It's shocking. And like I said, I found this on their site. I basically just had an open tab and every day I would refresh it and everything was always sold out. And then one day it just magically appeared and I was able to add it to my cart and I bought it and here it is. And it's like a sight unseen. I have no idea if I'm going to actually like this in real life and like the color. I think I will be. Yeah, I think I will. I'm actually posting this video a couple days before Black Friday. So the sales are starting to gear up and I have teamed up with Lily Silk for the beginning of this video just to share about their sales. And I've been working with Lily Silk for the past few years. They're definitely known mostly for silk, but they also have cashmere and they have so many like clothes, they have bedding, pillowcases, accessories, so many different things. So I'm going to go ahead and link them down below and just consider them because of their sale that's going on right now. I believe a lot of items are up to 40% off. And then they also have, depending on how much money you spend, you can also get, money off. And then I also have a discount code, which is Shea 15, and you can save 15% on your order as well. So I think it's just, it's very stylish pieces, but also a lot of items would make really good gift ideas. And I think I'll also link a gift guide for different people down below that they've kind of curated. Just starting with what I'm wearing, because this is my newest blouse. I have so many of their blouses and their silk is like very well priced for silk, and it's the highest grade, like 6A mulberry silk. So it's very environmentally friendly, and the quality is amazing. So this is a beautiful color. I love this little accent detail here with the chain. It's just a really nice color, and I kind of picked it. I think it's gonna look good with the bag, but maybe it won't. And then my newest piece is actually this blouse, and I have this blouse in so many different colors, but this is a beautiful emerald green, and I don't know what it is about emerald green. I've mentioned this in recent videos. I'm loving this color right now. I feel like it's a really classic, but kind of on-trend color right now. But like I said, I have this in white, I have it in navy, I have it in black, and then they're also known for their Mongolian cashmere sweaters. So again, very high quality sweaters. This is a beautiful classic camel color, and I wanted to wear it in this video. This is just like so me. And again, cashmere is just more luxurious. It's 2 to 3 times softer and warmer than wool. Oh, and then I also wanted to show you this beautiful pillowcase. So again, they have bedding sets. My mom is obsessed with their nightgowns and the bedding, like the actual sheets. I have the various pillowcases and this is beautiful. This side is obviously like a gray, just kind of goes with my decor, and then this side is white. So I actually make the bed on the white side so that it's really pretty, and then when I sleep, I actually sleep on this side. But of course they have many colors to choose from, and this is really nice for your skin. Silk is antibacterial, it's hypoallergenic, so it actually reduces the wrinkles on your face. This also would make a fantastic gift idea as well. So again, I will have everything linked down below along with my code SHAE15 for 15% off. And I know some people are kind of worried about shipping times and getting things in time for Christmas, and their delivery time is actually only about a week, so it's really good. Okay, let's get into the very exciting and kind of not stressful, but like, what if I hate it? I don't know. The Louis Vuitton unboxing. So the beauty of unboxings, I just get one chance. I'm gonna open this, the ribbons will be ruined, and you get to see my initial real reaction. Who remember? Comment below. Do you guys remember when I unboxed the Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse and it was crooked? So, okay, so here it is. I got, as you can see, the Pochette Matisse. Does this look crooked to you? It's like I'm kind of known for that. That was so fun. And then I called Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, that was so dramatic. Anyway, here is the receipt. Again, I am shocked. Shocked that I found this online. And I'm filming in my new studio space here in the basement. So like, I don't even know. I just feel like I'm out of sorts. But the ribbon is gone. And I'm most not concerned about this color because I feel like it's a very wearable color, but it's a color that I just don't know the tone, and I'm all about tones. Okay, so here it is. Can you guys guess what it is? Okay, it feels really nice. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. Sorry, I know, I feel like you guys just want to see what the heck it is, and hopefully I pronounce it right, because man, if I pronounce it wrong, I'm eating alive about that too. Whew, here it is. Look at it. It is all wrapped up inside. So, okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton Coussin PM. Did I say it right? So it's lambskin, scary, but it's embossed with the Louis Vuitton monogram print, and it's in the taupe color. And I feel like I need to get out the strap. Oh, because it comes with this beautiful chain strap. So there's so many different ways you can wear this, and it comes with another. Look at this strap. So it kind of can be very dressy, or it can be kind of sporty and casual. So let me just get it all put together, and I'll do mod shots. I'll try it on. It definitely looks really good with the shirt. I've also seen people wear this as a necklace. Would that be weird? I don't know if I would do that, but that's like a cool little thing. But here it is. It looks beautiful. I love it. I love the coloring. I know I already said that, and I think I already said this too, but I love how the straps are both removable. So I could wear this as a crossbody. I could wear it as a shoulder bag. It's adjustable as well, or I could remove it entirely and then just wear this over my shoulder, and it would look a little bit more dressy, or I could remove both, use it as a clutch. It's just, to me, it seems like a really versatile bag. Obviously, I haven't worn it ever. And then the inside, you just open it up, and then there's 3 sections. There's, one on either side, and then there's like a middle section, and you just open that, and it's a little bit more secure with like its own zipper. But I've been kind of looking for a new, just everyday bag, and I want this to be it. It is lambskin, but I feel like the color is really good in that I'll be able to wear it with pretty much anything, but it's dark enough that I don't think there'll be much color transfer. Now this strap, I could see this being maybe an issue, like maybe getting really dirty. I don't know though. It's not white. It's definitely like a cream color, so it could show some wear. I'm not sure. But overall, I am initially very, very happy with the bag. And again, I'm shocked that I got it in this color. There is black, there's the cream white color, there's some brighter pops of colors too, but this is just stunning in my opinion, so I'm very, very happy. And I do think I mentioned this already, but this is the PM size, so this is like the smaller size available, even though I feel like it's a really good everyday size. But it also comes in an MM, which is a bit larger. It's actually quite a bit larger in my opinion. I don't think I would want that size, but I know some people just want a bigger bag in general. But anyway, I don't know, I'm really excited about it. I have another kind of exciting unboxing coming your way, and I think it's gonna be, I'm basically just giving it to myself as a Christmas present and my birthday present, so that'll be coming up in the next month or so. And I have some other like luxury ideas too. So I just go in waves with luxury. So if that's your thing, some of my audience is so into it, others just hate it. But make sure, if you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to consider subscribing. And I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, because that's, I think, tomorrow. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.